Hello there, Red Wing students. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google site and basically go through the properties of how to add or rename pages. So the first thing you need to do for a Google site, one, there are many websites that you can use that have templates set up um, for specific needs. I'll put this link in the comments for you to choose from. But if you just go up to the Google waffle in the upper right hand corner for your apps, you scroll down and you go to sites, you click on that, and it is going to open up your site's dashboard. You can set up a blank site, but it's a lot faster if you choose one of the templates that are already there for you. So you can browse in the gallery if you'd like, but for these purposes, I'm just going to click on this first one here. And then that's going to start your site. Now, it is not a site yet. You're still editing it. It's not live or anything like that. I'll be using a different video to go through that. Once you have this set up, the first thing that I would do is I would go and change the name of your site. Okay, so this is the document name. So if you were to find this in your Google Drive or anything like that, this is the document name that you'd be looking for. And I would say something like student project, just for our general purposes here. Okay, so then you can go and change this to the title of what it actually looks like on your website. Okay. Now we'll go through and talk about how to edit all this context in different videos. Right now, I just want to talk about these pages up here at the top. Right now, we have 3 pages. This first one is called the home page, and there's a whole bunch of material here. Then there's a schedule page where there has material, and then a newsletter page that has material. Now we don't want a schedule and a newsletter page. I want to change what those pages are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this upper right hand corner and I'm going to click on pages. And when I click on pages, I'm going to take a look at this first one. I don't want it to be called home anymore. I want to make it my own. I'm going to click on those 3 dots at the right and go to properties. There's not a whole lot of properties I can choose, but I can rename it right there. So I would maybe do like an introduction page. Make sure everything is spelled correctly, obviously, and just click done. So now this is the introduction page. You might want to change that name right here as well. You can change, I'll go more over text and things like that in a different video, but you can change that. It's always nice to kind of change the title of that page um, just so you know which one you're on. You don't want them to make them all look the same. So maybe for right now, I'll leave the schedule page right there. But if I go down into this newsletter, I might want to change the name there. Now I have more options for this one. I can make it my home page, which I would probably not. I would probably want my introduction page to be my home page. I can duplicate the page to save some time. I can add a subpage, all this, or delete. But here we want to go to properties again. And this is going to be my last page. So this might be something like works cited that I want to put. And you can see as soon as I type them in there, that changes the page titles up here. I'm probably going to want to go to that works cited page. And instead of newsletter, I'm going to want to put in works cited. Okay. And just like everything else in Google, as soon as I type it in and click out, it's going to save all changes automatically. You can tell that because it says it right here. All changes saved in Drive. So this was a video just on setting up a Google website and just kind of taking a look at what the pages look like. There will be many other videos on all the different sorts of things on how to create your website and make it look the way you want it to.